how to get ads for extra rewards in Candy Crush Saga. So if you want to get ads for extra rewards in Candy Crush Saga, then first of all, you'll need to know what ads do. So whenever you're, falling short of lives, you can just click on your life and you'll be able to see an option that would say watch an ad, and you'll be able to, get extra lives by watching those ads. Or whenever you are falling short of moves, you can watch ads, and in return you'll get some limited amount of moves that you can work on. Or if you're not being able to complete a mission, then you can watch ads in order to get extra time. So to do that, you need to connect yourself to the Wi-Fi or cellular network. So you can just simply scroll down from the top, and here you need to enable your Wi-Fi, or you can also enable your mobile data. So just simply turn on and connect your Wi-Fi. Once you do so, you'll be able to see that here after a while on your Candy Crush Saga, once your Wi-Fi gets connected while you're playing a game and you fall short of moves, you'll be able to watch an ad. And in return, you'll get some extra moves. Or if you're out of lives, then you can watch ads in order to get some extra lives. So that was basically how you can get ads on Candy Crush Saga, by just simply turning on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Or you can also even try restarting your game, and after that, you'll be able to watch ads on your Candy Crush Saga. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.